Oh, good morning, everyone. It's a very rainy, wet Monday morning. Was hoping I could get out to the garden at some point today to finish planting some peppers and some herbs, but doesn't look like that's going to happen today. As you can see, I got blackberries and grapes over there. Yuccas are also edible. The tree in the background is a redbud tree, which gets green pods on it in the middle of summer, and the earlier you get them, the tastier they are. They're great to put in stir fry. They kind of have a green apple peeling taste to them, but in stir fry they're great, and they also are super duper high in vitamin C. I try to plant all of my flowers and stuff to be edible. Some of them are not. Some of them are quite poisonous, but most of the things that I plant are edible, either root or leaf or flower, or berry. We have persimmons, we have walnuts, we have all kinds of stuff on both properties. So, hey, you guys have a great day, and if you don't have room for a big garden, why don't you try some container gardening on your porch or your stoop or even out your bedroom window. So you guys have a great day. Bye.